This recording is a how to repair the Delta Dryden 751 faucet when it's not working properly. It requires the removal and cleaning or replacement of the cartridge. You begin by popping off the cover on the back of the lever, which will reveal a set screw. Use an Allen wrench, the proper size, to remove the set screw. Once that's done, you can take off the lever, which will reveal a collar, which also needs to be removed. The collar may be hard to remove because it could have junk that might be holding it in place. I used a little bit of WD-40 to help soften that. Once that had set for a while, I used rubber gloves to remove the collar, which reveals a brass retaining ring which holds the cartridge in place. I used a pair of vice grips to loosen that up a little bit and then unscrewed it counterclockwise. Once that was off, you can see the cartridge. You just pull up on the stem and the whole cartridge comes out. Once it's out, it'll reveal the cavity that the cartridge was set in. I cleaned both the cartridge and the inside of that cavity using a toothbrush and using a cleaner fluid. Any type of soapy type of material is going to work just fine. Once it's removed, I cleaned it. The cartridge seemed fine, so I just reassembled the entire unit in the reverse of the steps that we used to get to the cartridge to begin with. This chart shows those steps that we went through. I hope this helps you because I couldn't find anything else on the web that would describe it. Have a great day. Bye.